Hi guys. So in the last video, we saw how to assemble the Raspberry Pi 5 circuit board into its casing. In this video, we're going to see how to install the Raspberry Pi operating system into the Raspberry Pi 5, specifically using the 64 gig SanDisk memory card that it came with. Now let's look at that.
So basically what we are going to do in this tutorial is to bond the operating system into a storage device. Now to do that, you have to visit the website www.raspberrypi.com /software, and you have to download. Now I'm working on a Windows operating system, so you have to download this imager executable file for Windows. Then if you're on a Mac, you download for Mac or for Linux. Now, since it's highlighted for me, I just have to click this download button. Now I've downloaded this image file and I've installed it into my system. So what I'm basically going to do now is just to show you how to choose and configure everything so that it can run on your device. So now I'm going to show us the imager. Now this is it. So I'm going to choose a device, and since you are working with a Raspberry Pi 5, I'm going to select that. Then choosing the operating system, I'm going to choose this Raspberry Pi OS 64-bit, which is recommended for us. Then since I already have the SD card connected to my system, if I click this, I already see it here. Now to do this, make sure that there's nothing inside this SD card. It's a 64 gig SD card. So make sure there's nothing inside it, that it is empty. So if yours has files inside it, you can be able to format it and just clean it up. So I'm going to select this. Now if I click next, I'll be asked, would you like to apply OS customization settings? I'd like to do that. So if I click that button, I can set the host name. So I'll just click this and I'll just write Raspberry Pi, Smiles Raspberry Pi. Let me use that name. Smiles Raspberry Pi. Then I'm going to set a password. Username is let me just call this Smiles Tech. So and the password just a random password. Then my location has already been gotten. That's just I'm in Africa. So it's going to use the keyboard layout. It's going to use the US not for keyboard. And I'll just set this also. That's right. So nice there. Then since I don't want to use any of this, I'll just not do anything on it. Password is just a random one. 12345. That's the password. Then I'll save the configuration. Then I'll just click yes because I want to apply the settings on it. So if I click it, I'll just keep on clicking yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Then now it's going to write the operating system which we selected here into the SD card, which is empty. So now to do this, make sure that you have a good Wi-Fi connection. I mean internet connection actually. So make sure you have a good internet connection because you're going to be downloading it from the net, and which is doing is writing it into the disk. So I'm just going to fast forward this process.
Let me know what you think about this video on the comment section below. If you think this video was awesome, then give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. You can also share this video with your friends. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up for the first operating system booting of the Raspberry Pi 5. So be sure to stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next video.